Oh, Kelsey, so bad.
What? Employees only. Well, news to you. I just got a new job. I guess I have to leave this with her. I'm a wannabe Visco girl. Hi everyone, my name's Kelsey.
And my name is Becky.
And we are the Sorry Girls.
And today, we're doing a very special room makeover video.
We are. Our friend Gabi reached out and we actually previously did her bedroom makeover in her filming house in Pennsylvania. Shout out if you've been subscribed since that video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so below so that you don't miss out on any YouTuber room makeovers. But this time she needs some help with her bedroom in her own personal house.
Yeah, when she heard that we were coming down to do Nikki's closet, which is out by the way, you should check out that video. She's like, hey, come help me do my bedroom.
And we're like, hey.
The thing with Gabi, I'm pretty sure, is she knows exactly what she wants. It's more of a question of how to do it. So that's why it's not gonna be official style selected and gonna be more of a vlog journey. Come along with us as we make over Gabi's room.
And the first step on this journey is to hop on a call with Gabi to figure out what she needs. What's up? What she wants.
Okay, let's hop on this call.
Hi!
Hello.
How are you guys?
We're good.
Good, how are you?
Good, we're excited to do your room.
We're so excited. This room needs work.
Tell us about the house and then your vibe and style overall.
So the house is nautical themed, and the reason we chose this theme for the house is because one of our favorite movies is Blue Lagoon, and they're like castaways on an island, and they build a house literally out of nothing, and that's why we chose that theme.
It's also very beach housey.
Yes, it's very beach housey, but our bedroom is like the one room like we just can't figure out.
So I guess knowing that, tell us what your dream space for this bedroom would be.
I want it to feel like the captain's quarters of a ship. Something
Yes,
like that, but
like
cabin-y.
an old Victorian ship, not like
Yeah.
a modern ship, not like a yacht. Like,
yeah.
I don't know,
Yeah, that'd be
like-
cool. It'd be different.
like dark wood, and
dark
like
wood.
Elizabeth Swan meets Captain Jack Sparrow in a boat.
Yeah, kind of dark. Maybe like
Romantic.
imitate like lantern light or something.
We love romantic. Like, we're a very romantic couple. We're hoping for the room to be like more captain's quarters-ish in a Victorian ship. Throw in some Elizabeth Swan vibes for my antique loving self.
I'm just worried that we only have a day to do this. So if we give you some larger projects to tackle before we get there, do you think that you can do that for us?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can.
Awesome, okay, so we're gonna send over a plan and maybe some DIYs that you guys can get started on before we get there, and then see you in a couple weeks.
Awesome.
Yay! We're so
We'll see ya.
excited.
Bye!
Bye.
Thank you guys. Bye.
Thank you, bye.
Okay, so I think this is gonna be a really cool room design. It's a very unique style, something that we've never done before, but I always love doing that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
So I think we should sort of pull together a mood board of what we want it to look like and then figure out what we want her to do before we get there.
Sounds good.
These are kind of like inspo pics and the layout of the room.
Yeah.
So what do we want to do to make this vibe work?
I think definitely we need a new bed moment with maybe some curtains and a bed crown and new bedding that's something a little bit more dark, and a beautiful sleigh bed.
Let's do like a good feature wall that's very boat vibey. Like we could do dark shiplap on some of the walls and like an old Victorian wallpaper, so like a navy or like a deep red.
And then of course we're gonna need some other elements like a rug, some piratey curtains, and some nice side tables, and that netting feature, which I know that she wants.
And I think an easy DIY that probably isn't a product we can buy anyways is like porthole mirrors
Yeah, that's vibey.
to make it feel like you truly are in like the hull of a ship. I think the two things that we should get her to do, which would take up so much time for us to do, is get the shiplap installed and the wallpaper up on the walls.
Yeah.
That gives us a good sort of like blank slate-ish to come in and add all these decor pieces. Okay, let's pass that on to her. We can order some of the rest of this and then
Go to Pennsylvania.
go to Pennsylvania. Okay, we made it to Pennsylvania and Gabi's house.
Welcome to my house.
Very excited to be here and even more excited to see what you guys did in the space.
I know, I'm so excited to show you guys. Your ideas that came to life are brilliant right now.
Okay, we're halfway done, I guess.
All right, let's go in. Oh,
This looks so different
oh my
know.
goodness.
from the pictures.
I'm already getting Pirates of the Caribbean vibes.
You did such a good job. The
Switched out the
wallpaper.
bookshelf already.
This used to be white.
The shiplap looks so good. I love this.
My favorite part's the wallpaper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like so Victorian.
It honestly is. And this whole wall being wood,
We're getting a new bed too.
we have a really cool one in mind for you that I think you'll really like.
So hopefully it
I'm
arrives
so
today.
excited. If it's anything like these mood boards, I'm living.
Oh yeah, insert mood board here. We have a lot of work to get done.
So, should we get started with some DIYs?
Yeah.
And then later today, we might take you to go vintage shopping with us.
It's my favorite thing to do in the whole world, so please take me.
All right, so I think our first plan of attack is attacking this vanity. We want to paint it gold, and if you guys, this is a little hack. When you're DIYing a space and you're trying to get a lot done in one day, you always go, what's gonna take me the longest or what has the most downtime? And painting anything has a lot of downtime. So that's why we're gonna get started with that.
So let's carry this bad boy outside.
I set up a little area in the garage. Can't do outside because it's raining.
Okay, we're here in the spray paint den castle tent.
I'm really proud of it, honestly. I think we'll lay down a primer. It's always safest, and then we're coming in with the gold.
Okay, so while that dries, we actually ordered Gabi the most gorgeous sleigh bed. Like, think Santa's sleigh, but also boat vibes. So we need to dismantle the current one to make room for the new one. There's so much room for activities now.
Show me.
Ninja fighting, yoga, ballet, and bringing in rugs. Time to swap some cartons. ASMR.
I really just want to sing yo ho, a pirate's life for me.
Let's move on.
Okay, welcome to Crafting with Kelsey on the floor. It's my new series. So I have here some blank basswood, I believe it's called, and a mirror, because guess what? We're gonna make a porthole mirror. It's a very easy DIY, and this is a good one in like a bathroom or a shipwreck themed bedroom. So the first thing we're going to do is actually take some picture hanging software. I literally just called it software instead of hardware. Wow, I am such a millennial. I'm gonna take some picture hanging hardware and add that to the back before we get started. So next up, we are moving on to our staining step, and I have these staining cloths. If you want to get like real easy, perhaps you're DIYing and traveling, such as we are, you can bring your stain with you. Like literally, this is what happened. And it's kind of like makeup wipes, but for stain. So we're gonna take out one of those and stain our wood here. Also, I feel like I didn't explain this wood properly. I literally went to the craft store hoping that they had some kind of like wood circle, and for some reason this one, it looks like a wooden plate. It has like the indent, which is perfect for our mirror. So I just found this at the craft store, so hopefully you can find something like this too. I also got the mirror from the craft store. So technically this says it'll dry in an hour, but low key, it's like on its way to drying. And since this mirror is going in the middle, I'm gonna just move on to the next step, which is hot gluing our mirror down to the center. Okay, our last step is a very on theme, not on this room theme, but on a season theme. And I have acorn nuts here in gold, and I'm just gonna glue these around the perimeter to make it look like these portholes are being screwed onto the ship, I guess. So cute, it's like the top of an acorn. Wow! And this is my finished porthole mirror. That was so easy. And I know usually our DIYs take like 2 minutes because we cut them down, but this one actually took 2 minutes. Surprise! We have a couple of them because we're gonna put them around the room. That's later? Probably. Yeah, because we got other things to do. But we'll just have these on standby. This next part, folks, honestly, the tea is about to be spilled because Gabi was like, I want netting on like the ceiling.
The whole ceiling.
She said the whole ceiling, and we were like, wow, I don't even know if any netting is gonna look good, let alone the entire ceiling. So we found some inspo pics online of like twinkle lights and netting, and it's kind of vibey, and we're like, maybe we can make this happen. But honestly, we are a little nervous about it, TBH. But yeah, we're not doing the whole ceiling. Sorry.
Well, she got a ceiling fan too. That seems dangerous to me.
No.
All right, I'm up for the challenge.
I'm gonna go up and start this challenge.
Oh my God.
And these were some decorative netting. We got 3. I'll see how many we used today. And these were like so cheap. Links below. Anything we used and bought today will be linked below.
Wait, another ASMR moment.
I think we put the hooks in kind of in a nice order
Yeah,
and then just mess this all up on the hooks.
yeah. Messy art, you know? Sorry, did you want some sea hooks? Arr, matey.
I do. Sort of got your nose, got your hook.
Oh, hello?
Is that our bed?
Is that at the bed? We're getting a bed delivered. Oh my gosh, it hates me.
It just doesn't know you yet. Last step, putting some authentic sea decor in the net.
Yeah, a little bit, right?
Yeah, because some of these are tiny and they might fall through, but like this big guy will be nice.
I'm gonna get the
Ooh,
glue
this
gun.
one.
This one's cute.
Big boy. Oh my God, look at this, a sand dollar. Can you hear the ocean?
It sounds like you playing with shells.
ASMR. We're killing this joke slowly. Stop it.
So what I think is,
Okay.
since we're done this and the bed got delivered, let's let them set it up, the delivery peeps, while we go vintage shopping with Gabby.
Yes.
Because that's the fun thing to do.
I'm excited. You know how we gave you a bell in your old room?
Oh my god, oh my god. To put on the wall near my side of the bed.
For Colin?
Colin!
So what we're looking for here is, importantly, 2 lamps to go on either side of the bed, and then kind of just a lot of knickknacks.
To fill that whole bookshelf.
Yeah. The other thing we're trying to do while we're here is make sure Gabby doesn't get too distracted, which we are miserably losing at right now. It's an option.
Are they like candlesticks inside?
No, it looks like it's about to be, but there's an actual light.
Ooh! Oh, I like that one better.
It's all brown. I like that one.
This is nice, eh? I love that. It's all brown.
I love it.
We found this one on one side of the store, a matching one way on the other side of the store. I think we're gonna do them because underneath this shade it looks like an old school oil lamp, which we love. The haul was huge. A huge haul. Now we just need to go back, see that bed that got made and brought into the room. We're so close. Oh my gosh. Let's do it.
Oh, damn. Damn. Did you notice this when we
No.
got it?
That is a seashell! This is so meant to be. Okay, well we can unpack this later, but let's, I guess, finish making the bed because I want to see it done.
Yeah. Let's do that. Oh, the tags are on this side.
Okay. Okay, this is what's gonna really make it. These big royal red curtains. Oh my God.
She's gonna.
Chipotle.
Wow.
Okay, now let's bring in those nightstands, our thrifted lamps, and like make this whole bed come together. Oh, is she real marble?
Okay. And then we got these at the vintage market or the antique store, and they had like these lampshades on them, but we just took them off because we thought this looked better.
Yeah, they look like old school gas lamps. Oil lamps.
Oil lamp.
Oil lamps. Get it right. Oh my God.
Whoa.
I'm sorry, but that looks so real and cool.
All right, all we have to do is the final touches before we're ready to show Gabby. P.S. We're about to show Gabi the room.
And we're excited.
We just like hammed out all the decor, but close your eyes.
Ready for your new nautical Victorian bedroom in 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Did we do it? Did we nail the theme?
God. Yes. Oh my God.
Check out this bed. It's everything.
Oh my God. It's perfect.
Yeah?
Yes. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. It looks like we're in a boat.
It really does.
Ah! The candlestick.
It's real, so be careful.
Oh my gosh. Movie nights are gonna be so much more
And
magical.
check out the thrifted lamps we got. How good they look without the shades on them.
We were like, should we get the cheap ones or the better ones? She was like, Gabi's like, the better ones.
Should we call somebody?
Yes, Colin. Oh, Colin.
Keep coming, keep coming.
Keep going.
Oh, coming to the door.
Open.
Oh, this is so sick! Wow, the colors. Holy crap. That is so cool.
Oh my God, I love how
That
you
is
did everything.
awesome.
Your vanity we painted, now it's gold.
Perfect. And the fireplace still looks good in that little corner.
That's
Mhm.
nice.
Yeah, your outfit literally matches the bed perfectly.
She
did that on purpose.
She totally planned
I bought a top just for the room reveal.
Oh my god.
I absolutely love how this room turned out. It was so fun to do.
It was really fun getting to play around with a style that we don't typically do.
Make sure you check out the other episodes we've done with Gabi, linked in the description below, as well as other episodes with your other favorite YouTubers.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.